which platforms are the best for freelancers. Hello, this is Amir Hossein and welcome to Online Income Generation YouTube channel. I want to introduce you some websites that you can earn money online with your career. With any career you have, I strongly recommend that use your career at freelance platforms to make money online. Number one, I think Upwork is one of the best platforms in the world for getting money online. For example, if you sign up or log in at Upwork, you should choose one of these answers. I'm a client hiring for a project, or I'm a freelancer looking for work. You need to complete your profile. Congratulations, your account has been created. Let's get you started. After some questions, you have to start your career. Okay guys, I uploaded my resume here just to show you how can you get the jobs from Upwork. For example, I am a Google Ads specialist. I write here Google Ads. For example, Google Ads looking for the best of the best. 1 minute ago, 3 minutes ago, 22 minutes ago, 23. And there are lots of tasks as a Google Ads specialist I can do at Upwork. Fantastic. Let's go to know what are the other sites. The other website is the one of the best platforms for freelancers is fiverr.com. You can join to fiverr.com like Upwork, but there is one difference between Fiverr and Upwork. At Upwork, you need to send your proposals to employers, but at Fiverr, employers need to hire you and you don't need to send proposals to employers. For example, at Fiverr, if I search Google Ads here, I find more than 16,000 results, and it is one of the best platforms in the world. Or for example, every other skills you have, you can use your skills to get money at Fiverr. For example, assistant virtual, animation, advertising. There is lots of money for every skills at fiverr.com. So before introducing the next platform, please don't forget to subscribe and like and write your opinion below if you had any experiences to work with these platforms. I would be glad to read your comments. The next platform I want to introduce you is freelancer.com. At Freelancer, you can earn money like Upwork and Fiverr. Every platform has pros and cons, but you need to search which of them are the best. Number 4 is Toptal. Toptal is an exclusive network of the top freelance software developers, designers, marketing experts, finance experts, product managers, and project managers in the world. It's niche for these careers. You can visit toptal.com if you're a software developer or designer or marketing expert or the other jobs that it has written here. Number 5 is Dribbble. Depends on your country that you enter in which country to Dribbble. You have a subdomain. For example, I entered from Germany and this is de.dribbble.org, and this offers me jobs at Germany in my current location, for example. You can test all of the platforms that I introduce you and write the results at the comments. Number 6 is flexjobs.com, the first job site to find remote jobs, no ads, scams, or junk. Find your next flexible hybrid or work from home job. Even though this is not the first job site, but it is one of the best job sites for you to get hired as a freelancer. You can test FlexJobs too. Number 7 is simplyhired.com. The user interface is so simple. You can get your job from Simply Hired. And you can see some jobs near you here. For example, data entry, assistant, payroll clerk, and etc. You can view all here. And this is the estimated salary for a year. So what is the next platform? Number 8 is guru.com. You can find and hire expert freelancers at Guru. Work with the best freelance talent from around the world on our secure, flexible, and cost-effective platform. This is a sentence that guru.com said here. You can find your skills here. For example, 2D design or logo design. You can watch the salary here. And this is the guru.com. I want to remind you that don't forget LinkedIn to getting freelance jobs. It's one of the best platforms. I make a separate video that how we can find jobs at LinkedIn. So don't forget to subscribe so that don't miss any other videos from Online Income Generation YouTube channel. The number 10 platform for getting freelance jobs is behance.net. You can earn money from behance.net as freelancers if you have any careers. You can search the creative word at work. You can have jobs here, discover your next career move, freelance gig or internship. For example, a skilled 3D artist working in cinema 4D is needed here, or industrial designer part-time, and everything you need. Number 11 is 99 Designs. At 99 Designs, you can grow with great design. It's the best platform for graphic designers. If you're a graphic designer, I highly recommend you to sign up here. Number 12 is dribbble.com, the world's destination for design. It is the other website that's very good for designers. Get inspired by the work of millions of top-rated designers and agencies around the world. You can look designers here. I think freelancing is the best way for designers to make money. Number 13 is peopleperhour.com. Make bright ideas happen. Access global talent on the Freelancer website, trusted by over 1 million businesses worldwide. Content writing, SEO, website development, logo design, and etc. It is one of the best platforms to make money online. Number 14 is serviceescape.com. At ServiceEscape, you can sign up and employers find you and hire you. Top-rated talent on demand. This is the user interface of the website, and you can search professionals here. Number 15 is taskrabbit.com. This is assembly service provided for IKEA. Book trusted help for home tasks. I don't want discount. So, for example, for home and apartment cleaning, project starting at $49. Or for help moving, these projects are starting at $67. WeWorkRemotely.com is the number 16. At WeWorkRemotely.com, you can post a job for $299 if you're an employer. And this is for sales and marketing jobs. Here, SEO, trigger-based marketing, lead lists, and etc. So many tasks here, so many careers here at Remote Remotely. I recommend this website too. The number 17 is wellfound.com. The user interface is so interesting. If you move your mouse, the careers moving on. So interesting. Okay. This is one of the platforms that job seekers and recruiters are matching together. Number 18 is Design Crowd. This is one of the best platforms for designers. Get the perfect custom design every time. It's a beautiful word for designers because there are lots of websites for designers for making money online as freelancers. Number 19 is workingnotworking.com. It's a word name for a website. Hire the best creative talent, hire now. Okay, you can test it too. And number 20 and the last I introduced you for freelance platforms is webflow.com. You can hire a Webflow expert here if you're an employer, or you can make money online if you're a freelancer. I think if you're familiar with a career and you're a specialist, you shouldn't be unemployed at the online network. I proved that there are lots of works and tasks here at the internet. And if you subscribe my channel, every week I introduce you the websites and platforms to make money online. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. Bye bye.